Okay, so hi and welcome back. Okay, so I'm still accessorizing my extra auto. I'm sorry, my Xtra Muse. Here I go. I keep saying auto all the time, but it is my Xtra Muse. So I have a couple videos already with a few accessories, and then I have some more accessories coming later, like my ND filters and things like that. But for now, this is what I want to talk about. This, and I really like this. So this is the Sonova Pocket 3 silicone base and screen protector. So I did get screen protectors with these, and they are over on the other table, but I did put a screen protector on here, and this is it right here. Now this base is super thick and it is silicone and it feels so nice. Now the Xtra Muse sits in it just like that, and I was going to say you can put the charging right there, but I don't have that piece on here. So I'm going to put it on right here so that you can see that it does not block the charging cord. Put it on and just set it in there like that. Now that's a perfect set. So I'm going to reach over here and grab my charging cord. I wasn't trying to do all this, and I hope that it reaches over here. I don't know if it'll reach or not, but the charging, you can put it right in there like that, and does not block it at all. All right, so you can charge it up while it's still in the stand, and it fits perfectly in there. Just set it down, and there you have it, just like that. And my second thing that I bought is the Ulanzi Pocket 3 magnetic mount, and I really like this mount. I returned the lilac protected thing that I had when I had it all covered. I didn't like that because it stopped me from putting other accessories on it, and I didn't like that. So I did purchase this. Now this fits over the joystick and this. And another thing about that silicone, that lilac I had, it covered this, but it was so sensitive, and I noticed that when I put it in my purse, the movement in my purse would accidentally hit the power button, and the thing would come on, and then I had the silicone over this, and so it was just, I didn't like it, so I did return that. And so this will fit on here just like that. Okay, and so there's like an upraise, an indent right there. So it does not sit like right on top. It'll prevent from accidentally, putting it on. I'm hitting that button and turning it on because there's a I don't know what that called, a raise right there. All right, so now nothing can sit on top and accidentally turn it on. And so this is a cage, so it fits up. Make sure you have it like that. And then you would just turn it around and you would close it up. Now I had problems closing this up. So let me see how it goes here. You bring that up like that. Make sure it catches on like that. And then you would just push this down and let that snap in place like that. And to take it off, you would just lift this up and then, you know, do the reverse. So this is a pretty good little cage right there. And then you would just do the reverse to remove it. Okay, but you would do that and then bring that down like that. And this is the magnetic part that you would just lift up and like that. Okay, so now the cage is on and you can put a light or a microphone right here if you want. And yeah, and it doesn't cover the bottom part. You can still put this part on here. And you can also just still set it in the the stand just like that. Now the back part, like I said, it is magnetic, and it comes with a little tool here. Let me see if I can get it out. And I like it because it's so neat. It just stores there. And what you would do, you would tighten this up. If it get loose, you can tighten it up like that. And then when you're not using it, just put it back in the groove like that. And I just thought that was so neat, so that you won't lose it and you will always have it, and it sits like there. Okay, now this snaps into place, so to loosen it up, you would do this and then set it down. And it also can be a stand. If I can take this part off, it can be a stand. You can set it like this, set it like that. Now I haven't used it as a stand, but you can use it as a stand if you would like that. Okay, so, and then to put it back up, it just snaps into place just like that. All right, so in my next clip, I'm going to show you, I'm going to go stick it on my refrigerator so that you can see the magnetic, you know, how it holds. Okay, so I'll be right back. All right, so now this is my refrigerator, and I'm just going to stick it up like that. And let me loosen it up in the back. Remember, click this so it can sit like that. And so that is how it is sit. Let me get my camera. It would sit like this, and this is how it look on the side. And so, you know, you can just record like that if you like it, if you want, you know. So anything magnetic, you can use it just like that. And as you can see, that it does stay up there very well. Okay. All right. So this is it. And I will see you in my next video.